Since I could remember, my teeth have never been straight. I know that in my field, which is acting, I do struggle to get jobs with that. So in particular, it's pretty much this teeth. You can see that. Growing up my whole life, I've always wanted to get braces. I've always wanted to get some sort of Invisalign, but I've never been able to actually afford it. I recently purchased this from Smile Direct. It's an actual impressions kit. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys my journey through this. This impression kit is something that was mailed out to me, which is pretty cool. I'm not sponsored at all with this video. It's just more of me just I guess showing you the beginning of the journey, and I'll probably update you every 2 weeks or so as to how my smile will go. Hopefully I qualify for this. This is actually just the impression kit in order for me to get the impressions sent to the dentist. It is at a cheaper price to get these Invisalign than your, I guess, standard way. I think it's about 60% cheaper. The downside is whether or not you're actually eligible. And I know that as for my teeth, they're not perfectly straight, but they're not exactly, there's only just the one tooth that's really out of place. So I'm going to take you through that and show you exactly how this works. And if you're interested, maybe you can tell me in the comments below if you've done something similar or if you have done this and you've gotten good results from it. That being said, let's take a look. As you can see from that, you get this first card of letting this party get started. And it actually does show you the prices on the back. Basically the pricing is there depending on what plan you want to go with. Guide that comes with it as well. So a guide that sort of shows you how to put all of that in, and then obviously you roll it up, put it in there, and you get the impressions, and hopefully they look right. It shows you the ones that are wrong, just to be sure, as well as pictures of your teeth. So I'll probably attach those photos in the video as well, so that later on I have something to compare it to. Ship it back. So you send it back to them. So I'll show you what comes inside the actual box. You pretty much get that. That's your kit right there. You're supposed to put, I think, these two together, and then basically put them in the tray, get your imprints done. So one thing that they, I think they wanted to really know is if the tray will actually fit. So, very good. And then the bottom one. So it works, it fits. I feel like my jaw's a little weird though, so I don't know exactly how well it's gonna fit once I put all of this through. But you get 4 of them. So 2 for the top, 2 for the bottom. Oh, I'm tearing this box up. Get gloves, which is cool. So you don't have to obviously ruin your putty. And then this is the smile thing. So you're gonna take a picture and then upload them online. Yeah, so you upload them online with this to get the pictures. I think you're supposed to take like 4 or something pictures as well. Okay, so I've read through the instructions. I'm gonna start putting on the gloves now. It says that you have 90 seconds to basically mix these two, and then you have to leave it for about 2.5 minutes, and I have to do that 4 times. 2.5 minutes to 4 minutes, I think. So make sure that when you're doing this, you do have like a stopwatch available, just to, I guess, get the best results. There's obviously diagrams in the booklet to show you whether or not you've done it right. So hopefully I get it right, and then I can show you guys. Now, I'm just gonna pretty much fast forward all this other part, just so that, yeah, we can get straight to the impressions and show you exactly what they look like after. I'd say that was pretty good, right? That looks alright. It's kind of gross though. I've done my first impression. That was a little tricky actually, to try and keep it as still as possible, but I think I did well. So I'm gonna do 3 more of these. Alright, so on to the next phase of this whole operation. I have to do this and take pictures of my face. I already done my impressions. See? Done the top one and I've done the bottom one. Pretty good if I say. I'm drooling, so I gotta take these pictures quick. I'll take it here. Look at the dude. I'll take a photo of that. I have a photo on a wide angle. Oh god, look at that here. Yeah. Look like a cartoon character. Oh god, I'm drooling again. Make sure you have a towel handy or something to wipe your mouth with. I think I'm done, so that's it. That's basically that whole procedure for that one. I'm gonna box it up, send it off, and I'll keep you guys updated maybe in the next 2 weeks. I just realized this wasn't a sticker for me to keep, this is to seal the box again. So don't throw this away. Now they estimate it's about a 4 to 6 month sort of journey, so hopefully that'll be perfect just in time for Christmas. I'll be able to sort of have a good smile by Christmas and go into the new year with a new smile. So I'll keep you guys posted. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.